Hi everyone, I'm going to show you in this video how to create quizzes in Canvas. First you'll start by clicking Quizzes from your course navigation, and then at the top right hand corner you'll click Plus Quiz. First you'll give your quiz a name, and here you can assign the point value. If you're using assignment groups and you want to add it to a group, you can do that here. This is where you decide how to display the grade as. Because this is a new quiz, this submission type will by default be set to external tool. And then in this box here is where you can decide who the quiz gets assigned to, create a due date for the quiz, and set your availability dates. Creating a due date for quizzes will create a calendar event, and it will also make it show in the to-do list. Once you have all of your settings for your quiz set, you'll come down to the bottom right-hand corner and click Build. Now you're ready to start adding questions for your quiz. Here's the title. This can be edited at any time. Here's your instruction box here, so you can click. That opens up the rich content editor where you can, here you can type in any instructions you have for the quiz. You can format your text any way you like here using the formatting toolbar. You can also add tables, media, and links as well. So when you're finished with the instructions, go ahead and click Done. And now you're ready to begin adding questions. You're going to click the plus to add content, and this opens up the various types of questions that are available for your quiz. So for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and click on True or False. Here you can add your question title, and then below that is where you'll add the question stem. And again, you can format that however you would like. Once you've added the question, your options are true or false, and you will select the correct answer. Then below that, you have other options that you can choose from. And then below that, this is where you can set the point value for this question. And then when you're finished, you can click Done. All right, there's your first question. To add additional questions, you just continue clicking the plus sign, and then you can add whatever type of question that you want. Depending on the question type that you select, that will change the selection for your answer choices. You can add additional answer choices here. You can delete answers if you make a mistake, or if you don't need the default setting for the number of answers that are added. You can delete any that you don't need. But just remember, each time that you're typing in the answer choices, make sure that you select the correct answer. And hit Done when you're finished. Now, for this question here, I don't really need this, so you can delete an entire item by just clicking the trash can at the top right-hand corner of that question. If you want to duplicate a question to save yourself a little bit of time, you can click this icon here. It will duplicate the question, and it will duplicate the question type. And then you can just go in and edit the question and the responses and click Done. Anytime you need to edit a question, you would click on the pencil icon to open up the editor, make your changes, and then click Done. Up at the top left-hand corner, this will open up the question navigator. And this is nice if you have a pretty lengthy quiz. You can see all of your questions here, and this makes it easy for you to reorder. So if you need to reorder any questions, it's much easier to do it here in the question navigator than it is to scroll through your long test. This will also, if you click on the question here, it'll take you to that question over here in the editor. Okay, you just click that arrow to close that. All right, now we're going to take a look at the settings. So here you have the ability to shuffle questions. You can shuffle answers. You can choose to show just one question at a time. You can add a time limit to the quiz. You can allow a calculator, multiple attempts, and you can also restrict student result view by clicking these options here. There is no save button here, so whatever settings that you choose will automatically save for you. So we'll go back to build, and once you're sure that everything is set the way you would like it to be, you can come up to the top right-hand corner and click return. And here's my new quiz. When you're ready for this to be published to the students, make sure that you come here and click publish.